If you've been following my GATE series, you know I'm exploring possible overlaps between government research and gifted programs, especially during the Cold War. Today we're looking at something real and documented, the Human Ecology Fund, a CIA front that quietly funded behavioral and cognitive research through respected universities. I'm not saying your gifted class was a covert project, but the timing and topics overlap enough to raise questions. Before I go on, please engage with this video from the bottom up and follow me on YouTube. Help me get this out to others who may need to hear it. So the Human Ecology Fund, originally the Society for the Investigation of Human Ecology, was founded in 1954 at Cornell University under neurologist Dr. Wolff. On paper, it studied how people adapt to stress, learning, and environment. In reality, it was financed through Project mkultra to disguise CIA behavioral science grants. Declassified records show funding for studies on pain tolerance, memory formation, hypnosis, and the neurological effects of sensory overload, often published as normal academic work with no hint of their real sponsor. Wolff believed that mapping how the brain responds to pain and pressure could reveal and maybe shape human behavior. Another researcher, Dr. John C. Lilly, developed the sensory deprivation tank to study consciousness and learning in isolation. His work fascinated both neuroscientists and intelligence agencies because it showed how adaptable or breakable the mind could be. While not always directly CIA funded, Lilly's methods mirrored the Cold War obsession, testing the outer limits of cognition. Around this same era, universities launched large-scale gifted education studies, programs like SMPY, the study of mathematically precocious youth. SMPY used advanced psychometrics to identify children whose reasoning and pattern recognition were far above average. Those tools, aptitude, adaptability, abstraction, closely resembled metrics used in defense and intelligence research on high-performance learning. Now, that doesn't prove a link, but both worlds were chasing the same question. How far can the human mind go, and how do we measure it? So here's what's fact. The Human Ecology Fund was real, CIA financed, and it paid for cognitive and behavioral studies at major universities. And here's speculation. Some of that work may have informed or paralleled the psychometrics later used in gifted education programs. So what do you think? Coincidence? Convergence? Drop your thoughts below. I'm just trying to connect the dots.